Everyone wants to be who they dream to be, and that's great. It's healthy to have goals and aspirations, and having aspirations means that you work hard and have something to strive towards. Content creating is a dream for many video fans, but do remember, it is an unnaturally polished place, and often the online world is based on a fantasy. Not everything you see online is real, including these 24/7 cheesy grins. Even successful creators can need to take a break from the spotlight and from the attention, for a mental health day or to rest and recharge. Checking in with friends, family and professional helpers throughout your journey can help to keep an eye on any changes to your mental health. If it gets too much or you feel you can't achieve what you want to, seek advice, take a break, consider other options. It's great. You managed to make a creative, artistic video that you can be proud of, and you've probably learned some really valuable skills along the way. Hang on to that and remember that practice makes progress. Remember, let's keep this fun. You are developing talents and learning new skills. We can't wait to see the content that you're going to make for creator competitions.